This sensor example demonstrates using a ratiometric tilt sensor. The ratiometric tilt sensor requires a reference voltage which will be supplied by the plus 5 volt switch terminal. If we examine the documentation which comes with the sensor, we can see that the maximum voltage in is 10 volts. In this case, we'll be supplying 5 volts via the 5 volt switch terminal. We will then measure the resultant voltage output using a plus and minus terminal on channel 3. The scaling of this transducer is given at 50% of the input voltage is top dead center, i.e. 2500 millivolts. The minus 45 degrees is 40%, and the plus 45 degrees is 60%, i.e. 3000 millivolts. We have wired this sensor to the logger, and we have the logger connected to the PC. We have a software connection between the logger and the dataTaker, and this is the 500 series programming window. Now we need to right click, add channel, analog, channel 3. We are simply going to measure the voltage. Click OK. Now we need to scale that voltage measurement, so we need to come across here, span, right click, select properties. The physical range will be from minus 45 to plus 45, and the sensor signal will be minus 45, 40% of 5 volt signal is 2000 millivolts, plus 45 is 60% of a 5 volt signal, 3000 millivolts. Units will be degrees. We apply this. OK. Now let's come across. We right click here, channel options, data conversion, scaling, span, apply that. Now let's just add ourselves a label, tilt. OK. Now let's send this program to the connection. Window, text 1, come across and check the results. There are the results. We can rotate the tilt sensor slightly, 6 degrees, 14, etc. Now rotate it back the other way.